Hi, I'm Prashant. I'm staff manufacturing engineer here at Smith+Nephew in Memphis, Tennessee. As a staff manufacturing engineer, I'm responsible for process development and innovation. All these projects require collaboration with various cross-functional teams, which I really enjoy working with. At Smith+Nephew, you'll get to work on various projects, learn new things, and develop your skills. In manufacturing, every day brings new challenges. As a manufacturing engineer at Smith+Nephew, we overcome these challenges by driving process improvement and innovation projects. These challenging projects help me in my learning and development as well. At Smith+Nephew, the work that you do will be valued, recognized, and respected. Our team follows Smith+Nephew's three cultural pillars: care, courage, collaboration. We respect each other and we work together to achieve success. This team is a great team to be a part of. Help us becoming an even stronger team by joining Smith+Nephew.